Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create templates in Pipedrive. All right, it's actually pretty easy to do. In here, make sure that you're on the deal section. I'm just going to click on a sample deal right here. All right. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to go to emails. Now, click on it. Now, hit on get started. Now, once you're in here, just select all the necessary permissions and hit on continue. Now, after that, just go ahead and click on start sync. And after that, go back to deals, emails, and we can now start creating our template. Now, for example, here, this is from you, of course. You go ahead and click on add a new email account if you want to. If not, just leave it as is. Now in here, to this is just a sample. You can go ahead and close this one. All right, and the subject right here, for example, thank you. Just for example. Now in here, you're gonna want to type in, for example, hi, space, click on insert field. In here, logo the person. Now, for example, first name. All right, then put an exclamation point or comma. Thank you for purchasing our product. I can go ahead and insert another field as well. For example, this one, contact person. All right, and you can add in, you can contact this person if you want another deal. You can also put in some hyperlinks if you want to. This link will guide you on how to do so. For example, this link right here to create a hyperlink. All right, just go ahead and just select the word. Now click on the link right here. Click the text. Here it is, the link. And the link would be, it depends on you. It could be a random link like HTTPS or maybe my drive right here. All right, this one, I'm just going to copy it. Now put that in here, hit on save. And here we have our hyperlink. All right. I'll say, for example, I'm going to add in a recipient my second account right here. Just be able to send it right away. All right. Now, as you can see here, the restrictions, it is set to private. If you want to, you can go ahead and share it to all. Private right here, this basically means that you as the user can only see it. Now, if you want to save it as a template, click on choose a template right here. Now you're going to want to click on save draft as a template. Click on it. Template name, rename it as a thank you template. All right, visibility private right here or shared. Hit on save. All right, and the next time, let's say you're going to want to select this one, Benjamin right here. I'm going to hit on email. Now, as you can see, it is blank. So I'm going to go ahead and click on choose template. And here we have our thank you template. I'm just going to click on it and wait for it to load. All right. Go ahead and change this one to a contact person. For example, myself right here. All right. Here's the link. When I click on it, here we have the link. Hit on send and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.